Well, oh, well, dear students, this is the fifth session of Unit 6. In this session, let us learn some of the abnormal combustions in the combustion chamber of an IC engine. See, before to this, we had learned one of the abnormal combustion of an IC engine was detonation. See, other than this detonation, there are many abnormal combustion in IC engine. They totally all these abnormal combustion we are calling the surface ignition, wild ping, rumble, run on, runaway, pre-ignition. Okay, very fast. Let us learn post-ignition. See, what is this post-ignition? As the name implies, ignition has to be taken place at the proper time. If it is the ignition delayed, then it will be ignited after the proper time. Then we are calling it as a post ignition. Okay, how it is happening? It is the start of the flame spread by the hot surface other than the spark after the normal ignition. The hot surface may be spark plug, electrode, exhaust valve head, any hot carbon particle deposited in the combustion chamber surface. Okay, post ignition is the ignition after the spark delivered. This is called the post ignition. For all this for reasons I detail you because of the hot spots developed inside the combustion chamber of an IC engine. Right. See, next one is run on surface ignition. See, what is this run on? See, the ignition system is there in the SI engine to ignite the air fuel mixture. If the ignition is switched off, that means what? The spark will not delivered inside the combustion chamber. Even after the ignition is switched off, the running of the engine continues. This phenomenon we are calling it is a run on or surface ignition. It is also one because due to the hot spots inside the combustion chamber of an IC engine. Next, runaway surface ignition. See, it's a quite opposite to the run-on. Okay, there may be a pre-ignition. Pre-ignition means what? Before the spark delivered or before the spark delivered. In advance to that pre-ignition, the fuel burns continuously in all the cycle in the pre-ignition manner. Then we are calling it a runaway. Actually, it's a serious case of the surface ignition in which surface ignition in one combustion cycle heats the source of the ignition to all higher temperature and series of earlier and earlier pre-ignition is set up. That means what? One run-on will continuously give rise to the more run-ons. That means what? Without waiting the spark of the plug, spark delivered by the spark plug, the fuel burns on its own continuously before the spark. See, this is the runaway. This is a serious effect on the engine. Then wild ping. Wild ping means what? There's a knock. There's a wild ping sound will be coming out of the exhaust. So why it is happening? Occasionally, the knock occurs in particular erratic and unpredictable way. Such shock is very sharp, is known as the wild ping. A probable reason for the wild ping is that some fragments of the glowing deposit breaks. As I told you, there is a carbon deposits. One time, what will happen after reaching the high temperature? Along with the fuel, those deposits breaks and burn. That means what? Excess of the burning is taking place inside the combustion chamber. Air fuel mixture is also burning along with the residual air fuel mixture which was deposited with a high temperature burn along with the air fuel mixture. Then abnormal sound or wild ping sound will be coming out of the exhaust. This is called the wild ping. Next is rumble. If the deposits and the conditions are favorable in ignition, may occur at the number of points in the combustion chamber. See, so far I was telling only there are the carbon deposits which gains the highest temperature. Because of the highest temperature, the fuel burns on its own. They behaves as if they behave as if spark plug. Here, if only one spot is there, that may cause rumble, run away. But there are many hot spots are there. All are behaving as the spark plugs. That there are the different points of the combustion initiation. This process is called the rumble of the combustion. Okay, with this, I am concluding the fifth session of Unit 6. Thank you.